Hello, Learning Machines. Welcome to this video. I hope you're doing great today. I'm here to talk about, how to make money online and the free freaking ways to do so. I mean, the fastest ways that are absolutely free. So the first method I think of to make money to make money for free, but takes a little bit of time investment, but can make you like money forever and passive income forever, that would be YouTube for sure. Okay. I got started on YouTube a long time ago, and I mean, it's been making me literally over 6 figures per month, all the way to high 6 figures per month very, very soon, just from that income stream. All my income streams together, I'm at high 6 figures per month, okay? And so I can tell you right now, like, YouTube is the way to go if you're a beginner or anything, okay? It's so easy. It's become a hobby at this point for me, and it can become a hobby for anyone out there. You literally can turn on the camera and just start talking about anything. But if you're an expert at something, that's one angle to go. If you want to do entertainment content, that's one angle to go. If you want to create music, then do that, okay? But YouTube will literally be one of your best income streams ever. The AdSense revenue, the stuff you could sell in the YouTube description, you can have sponsors, you can do all sorts of stuff. Like, you could build an actual brand on YouTube. So, and I mean, you'll see examples everywhere. I'm sure you've seen it. People all over the place can literally build businesses overnight just with the power of YouTube. So if you want to get inside YouTube, make 30 to 100 videos within a month, okay? Look at your data of your videos, like see how many views it got. And if it got a lot of views without any promotion or anything, then you know that's a good video to do and topic or whatever. Then you double down, okay? You double down and you just keep creating. Okay, so YouTube is one of the most powerful ways. You can monetize your freaking videos with AdSense revenue. Heck, you could get applied for AdSense like within 2 videos. You make a short video and just post it, just like between like around 5 minutes. And then you make a video that's like several hours long. You just post it. You don't have to make it yourself. You can like put a bunch of stuff together. And then you basically buy watch time. Okay, and then you buy 1,000 subscribers, and you're able to literally get approved for monetization. Okay, and then all the videos you're going to upload are going to be monetized. Okay, so right off the bat, you can be monetized that way, and you're going to be more motivated to start taking action even more. To get monetized, it can cost less than a few $100s to just get monetized, just a few $100, and you're freaking set to make thousands and thousands of dollars per day eventually. Okay. Now, another way is obviously affiliate marketing. Another way is doing merch. Another way is freaking CPA marketing. Another way is doing your own products. And then drop shipping, okay? But anyway, that's YouTube. Now, another way you can freaking make a lot of money nowadays is you could do YouTube Shorts. You can do TikTok, which is basically shorts videos. Anything content marketing related online, you will make money. You will make money every single time, okay? For free. Because you're just putting the time in and you make more money back, like way more money back for the time in, depending on the niche. Like, it can be insane, okay? If you think about it, look at an example like Mr. Beast. He'll upload a video to his big channel. He'll make 6 figures within a few hours, okay? Like print money, okay? I'll upload a video to my massive freaking entertainment channel. I'll make $10,000 within like the first day, and then it'll make money forever, that same video, okay, that does pretty well. I mean, I usually post quite a few videos onto that channel like per day, but I'm talking the videos that do really, really well, they can really blast off within a few hours and go, okay? And that's the kind of money we're talking here that you can build up to. And I mean, what else you got to do? Like, YouTube is the way to go. Like, you could make racks. If you want any other ways to make money, you can partner with other people who have audiences if you want. That's a free way to do it, and you can take rev share with them. Another way to make money online is you can literally get a job online. You can literally do Upwork or freelance work and all these things. You can literally do article writing for people, freelance writing, all sorts of stuff. It's pretty much endless, the opportunity out here. You could do gray hat methods, like methods that some may say are unethical or whatever, but you can get away with. You could do like Snapchat marketing, that's free methods to do. Plus, like, you could get people in from Tinder or Instagram, get them on Snapchat. I mean, there's a lot of freaking methods you can do. And then like you promote affiliate offers or dating offers here and there. You could start a blog. You could start an adult blog. You could do all sorts of stuff. I mean, like I said, the opportunities are endless. You could write an ebook for Amazon. I mean, guys, there's endless ideas. The thing is just stick with one thing, you'll make money. Okay? So that's how you make money online. It's freaking free methods. Go crush it, guys. Peace out.